We're here in the Mile High city of Denver, Colorado. I'm here with Ajit Dharma, president of Fire Within. And Ajit, you have a very special guest who came a long way to see you. Who is this young man?
I'll tell you, Bell, I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven because everybody in the world know about Don Antonio. Don Antonio has come all the way from Naples. This is one of the 4 regional families in Naples. So it's an honor. It's an honor and a privilege to actually stand next to him. And the man next to him is Johnny. Everybody knows in US who it is. He's a rock star when it comes to the pizza world. So thank you for letting me introduce Don Antonio.
And Johnny, you've been working crazy back here. I've seen you and your team putting out some really nice pizzas using this flour and the mobile oven. How did you like the whole mobile oven concept?
It's a great concept, really easy to work with. And the good thing is you can make pizzas anywhere, right?
Yeah.
That's what happens when you have a mobile oven. Take it anywhere you want.
Now, if you could, ask Don Antonio how he's liking Denver's weather and how he's liking the weather here for the fair, being that last night we had some heavy rains.
Ha chiesto come ti sembra il clima tra ieri e dopo anche quando c'erano quel periodo di un po' di pioggia.
Per quanto riguarda la pizza vanno prese delle piccole differenze di lievitazione, di impasti e poi la pizza napoletana ritorna napoletana in qualsiasi parte del mondo si trova. Voglio ribadire che è un food, non è un piatto da chef stellati che non osiamo metterci in competizione. Dico che è un onore partecipare a quella che organizza Slow Food perché noi riteniamo che la pizza deve essere di qualità, però deve essere un prodotto food che costi poco e che il popolo la può assaggiare in qualsiasi momento.
Johnny, I only spent 2 weeks in Italy, so summarize what Don Antonio
so,
told us.
So he basically said that if you want to talk about the weather and how it affects the pizza, you know, it's all about the rising time, the humidity, how it sort of alters that. And he said, you know, making pizza napoletana, you know, at an event like Slow Food it's an honor because pizza shouldn't, you know, it's not a high class food. You know, it's a food that should be shared amongst everybody and should be a food that also should be affordable for anyone to enjoy. So that's pretty much his whole philosophy behind pizza napoletana.
Well, Johnny, our television show is here covering an event in Denver, of course, the Slow Food, but it's also home of the largest culinary school in the United States for wood-fired cooking. And we'd like to invite you and Don Antonio to come over either maybe today or tomorrow and talk a little bit to the students out here. I mean, you are the rock stars in the industry. Please share that with Don Antonio.
Ha detto che qua a Denver c'hanno la scuola più grande come scuola culinario e ha detto che se puoi andare lì a trovare i studenti a parlare o oggi o domani, ha detto.
Io sono sempre disponibile anche perché è mio dovere portare avanti la pizza napoletana in quanto noi centenari, come vede, ci siamo riuniti proprio per mantenere il prodotto, quindi che le scuole ben vengano, che vengano ben seguite.
Awesome. And basically,
he said, you know, he would love to because for him, you know, especially part of the you know, centenaries, that's something that they do. They, you know, they still want to educate people and go to these culinary schools and, you know, show them that, you know, pizza is not just a fast food, because it's not.
well, the culinary school is only about 6 blocks from here. I mean, very short distance. Come at your leisure. We'd love for you to sample some of the students' pizzas, maybe the instructors' pizzas as well, and give them a thumbs up or thumbs down.
Ha detto la scuola è solo 6, non è lontano da qui, però ha detto che se tu puoi andare vuole che assaggi anche le pizze che loro fanno, sì, però anche le pizze dell'istruttore, così gli dai o il thumbs up o il thumbs down.
Bene. Credo che un istruttore non abbia bisogno del mio giudizio, però il confronto fa sempre bene.
He said he's pretty sure that the teacher doesn't need his approval, but he said, constructive feedback is always very good.
Very good. And Ajit, I think you're going to be quite flexible for them to come visit anytime today or tomorrow.
Absolutely, Bill. You know the answer to that. Yes, it'll be an honor to have them if they can. I know they got a pretty busy schedule here, but also they have, they have to pay attention here. But if they come, that's going to be icing on the cake.
Well, if you do come, Culinary TV would like to get another interview with both of you, the rock stars in the industry. And I want to thank you so much for being on. Don Antonio.
Viva la pizza!
Thank you, Ajit.
Thank you, Bill.